General Ziaullah. So it meant something to me. But when I thought about deciding a seminar on the International Refugee Day, I couldn't think of anybody else but Palestinians. Because since 1948, since the artificial creation of the Zionist regime, the people of Palestine have been living in the refugee camps in their own country. It's generation after generation in the refugee camps. They have grown up and they have lived and they have now died in the refugee camps. So who could be better subject of celebrating the International Refugee Day than our brothers and sisters of Palestine? My father was a poet, अब एक शेर पढ़ा करते थे, बैठ जाता हूँ जहाँ छाँव घनी होती है, बैठ जाता हूँ जहाँ छाँव घनी होती है, हाय क्या चीज़ गरीबुल वतनी होती है. To translate it loosely for His Excellency, I take refuge in any shade, in any dense shade that I find. Oh, what it is to be without your land. But what is it to be like in your land and yet be without your land? So, with that, I was going to call my second guest, which was going to be the poem written by a very famous poet. But I had a request from Haris Khalil. So, Haris Khalil, let me introduce you. Haris Khalil is the General Secretary of Human Rights Pakistan Division. And he is a poet, he's an academic, and he has to go very